Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with a black mirror design Warhammer here with me for a review. I'm gonna analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this little fella, but as usual, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. 3 very easy things to do. Let's go ahead, check this bad boy out. It comes with a red hard case. Which on the inside is nicely padded. You get your certificate of authenticity, and this is limited to 30 only because, yes, this is the Zirc version of this cool spinner toy right over here. It's just gorgeous. We're gonna check in a second. Anyways, pretty cool packaging going on right there. This fella right over here, let's actually use the caliber. It's gonna be a little bit more precise. It's like 2.4 inches in length with a diameter of 0.77. Let's see at this height, 0.82. So it's not like huge, but it's kind of like, yeah, you see, like this is the Chenyu battle sheet, and this is the Maki capsule. So we are pretty much in the same realm right there. Let me show you a couple of other, for example, black mirror design. Right over here, we get the telephone dial, and then, for example, right over here, AC EDC, that's the Milkia. Another pretty cool spinner is the Lauti. This is the mini dealer, one of my favorite right there. What else can I show you? Of course, we're talking about spinner. How can I not show you the Muji capsule? Just gorgeous, gorgeous example of a fidget spinner. In this case, we got something quite special because this is the Warhammer. So this comes by itself, but if you want, you can purchase kind of like a wand, which I don't have here, but you can check my black mirror design Warhammer, the titanium version. It's gonna show the handle, whereas in this case I couldn't find the Zirc handle for this guy, which would go just remove this part right over here, install the hammer. By the way, you see the limited edition right there, and then you're gonna have like a spinning hammer in your hand, and that's gonna be beautiful. Because, I mean, you have this option right over here. All right, so just pinch these two parts, these two buttons, and you know, you're gonna have like a spinner in this direction. Or you can just hold it like this and then just have this fella spinning, okay? Or like the other side, it's up to you. So you have 1, 2, 3 spinning parts. The cool thing about this, besides the design, which is just spectacular, you know, it's gorgeous. It's very heavy. I want to check the weight on this fella because, yeah, there's quite some heft to it. Also because there's a secret on the inside. I'm going to show you in a second. This is like 3.43 ounces in the pocket. So you can unscrew these extremities, and on the inside you're gonna see, of course, the screw, which is just, here we go, so that popped off, which holds the bearings in place, but also it holds in place these glass rods that I'm just gonna show you on this side. Okay, you have like these 6 holes which can be filled with trits or glass rods. Like in this case, we have blue and red, and it's a nice addition. They don't glow in the dark. They are not bioluminescent by any means, but they are just super cool because you can see through the windows that you have some, you see, look at that, purple and red. I mean, it's just a pretty cool thing to be able to do in a fidget toy, customizing, personalizing the toy with some add-ons, like in this case, these rods that can be Tritz vials or UV activated rods. So very, very cool option indeed. The sound it's very pleasant. This is spinning fast, by the way. This is just the refresh rate on the camera. This is causing this effect. Actually, if you are here, you're gonna see this fella spinning much, much faster, and that's the sound. It's pretty well contained. The sound at the top, It's even quieter. It's very nice, very pleasant, so love it. And the feel in the hand is very good. This indentation right over here with the Black Mirror Design logo is just pretty comfy to have a grab position like this. So, I mean, this is a very cool one, super rare, very expensive. This is going to be in $350 range, so we're not fooling around. This is a high-end toy for sure, made in zirconium, looking good, Black Mirror Design Warhammer in the house. So there you have it. Really, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.